Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get C4 in Call of Duty Mobile on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the COD app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your main screen, tap on Load Out at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can customize your weapons, perks and equipment. Choose the class you want to use like Assault or any class that allows equipment changes. Look for the tactical or lethal equipment slot. C4 is usually in the lethal equipment category. Tap it to equip C4. After equipping C4, make sure to tap save so your layout is updated for matches. Enter a multiplayer or battle royale match. Now you can use C4. To use it, tap the throw button to toss it like a grenade or place it on a wall or surface and detonate it with the detonate button. Sometimes C4 skins or upgraded version are available in the store or event. Check there if you want a stronger version. And that's it. Now you know how to get and use C4 in Call of Duty Mobile on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.